Hello, hello, Kim from KimMcGillis.com. I have a beautiful collection for you today. The color combination, it is so amazing. I find that the combination of Mossy Meadow, Cherry Cobbler, and Early Espresso just provides so much warmth through the holiday season. So I have a fun full card for you today, and it features the Joy of Noel bundle, which is this stamp set, as well with the coordinating dies, and also the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. So if you follow me regularly on my channel, you will notice that I've created 4 different fun fold cards with the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. This is card number 4, super easy, super simple to do. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is use a Cherry Cobbler piece of cardstock. And this piece is 4 1/4 by 11 inches. You're going to score at 2 1/2 and at 6 3/4. So I've already gone ahead and done that. Now, one of my suggestions is for you to trim the edge at the top part, just so your card doesn't go like a curveball like this. So I'm going to use my cutter and then just slightly trim the edge off. So, like not even 1/8, just a tiny bits. So here we have it. I'm going to use our multi-purpose glue, and you're going to use 2 DSPs for this card, and they are from the Joy of Noel, so I just use the same combo that coordinates with the bundle. So this piece is a 4 inch by 4 inch that you will just add right at the base here. I love this glue just because you could just reposition how you want it. I'm just gonna grab myself a little wipe to wipe off this little excess right here. Okay, so we have that piece done. And then the top piece will be 2 1/4 by 4 inches. And then we'll add this piece right on top here. Super simple. Just love the combination of both of these. You're going to open your card just like this, and then you're going to punch out 1 circle here. So we're going to be using the 2 inch punch, which is part of the exclusive collection. You'll want to look at those. They've added a bunch of different products in there, and then I just try to go off, not till the end, but closely, and then just punch this circle out. You'll use a scrap piece of Cherry Cobbler to punch out a second piece, another circle, just from your scraps. And then also from the online exclusive is the 1 3/4 punch. So for this one, you'll just use a piece of basic white and just punch this piece off. And this one will go just on top of the other circle, like this. So I also noticed that from the Rustic Kit, if ever you want, you could add this piece on top instead of a wish if ever you wanted to do so. It fits perfectly as well. So that's another option. So now what we're going to be doing is just closing our card and then adding the circle right on top here, just like this. So you need to close your card. It's an important step. And then you'll add your adhesive right in the middle, just like this. And then with this glue, remember, you always have to hold on a couple of seconds until it sets, just like this. Perfect, we've got this. So now the fun part is I use my parts, my bits and pieces from the Rustic kit. So because I've used all the different patterns, the other three, we're gonna be doing this one for this card. So just gonna take some dimensionals, and the dimensionals are included part of the Rustic kit. So you could use from there, or from, if ever you have some available at the house, then you could use your own, but they are part of the kit, which is a great feature. And we're just gonna add this right here. And I'm gonna pop up our little berries as well, just to make them stand out. And they are also part of the kit. So we're just gonna add this on top. Then I'm using the elegant trim, the gold part, and I'm just gonna be making a bow. So this is a bit snug, so I'm gonna cut it a bit longer so we have more room to work with. But if ever you don't want to use the gold trim, part of the Rustic kit, there is like a twine in the brownish color, and there's also like a red version. So if ever you don't want to use gold, you could use what's included in the Rustic kit. So here we go. We're gonna knot this up, and then I'm just gonna use one of my mini glue dots. And they are also included in the kit, the mini glue dot. There's a bunch of them. And then let's snip off this little excess here. Here we go. Part of the kit also includes these beautiful red rhinestones. They already have an adhesive at the back, so we're gonna add a couple. Let's put one here. Maybe one over here. And another one on top. So we'll add 3 little pieces. Here we go. Love when they have adhesives on the back. Okay, for the inside of a card, you need a piece of 3 by 4 inches, and that's really to stamp any greeting that you wish, or add a photo. So we're gonna be adding this on the inside. Now, because this is like a quick video, I am gonna take the time to stamp a couple of wishes. First of all, we're gonna do Joyous and Cherry Cobbler ink. And this one I will fussy cut. So we have this one here. Just gonna clean my stamp. And then for the inside of our card, we're gonna add Making Spirits Bright. Here we go. So this one is also done. And then I didn't do this for the other cards, but I just thought it could be something pretty amazing if I use our early espresso and I stamp the word Noël right here. Just gonna take my embossing cutting machine. And I'm going to take out the word Noel right here. And then I got to die cut the image. Grab all my letters. There we go. So this is going to open like this, and then we are going to add these letters on the inside. So when we see joyous, then we'll see the word Noel. Right here. Now, 10 minutes to make this simple card, and it's so pretty. You could have added a border as well. Now let me grab the word joyous as I fussy cut. Super fast. I always find fussy cutting so relaxing. So now, after seeing all the other ways, you have 4 different ways of creating cards with the Rustic Kit. And they all have something, some feature that is special. I'm so ahead of the game this year with all my Christmas cards. I started her early, and I have one more class to feature the joys of Noel. There we go. So we're just gonna add this word right here, and then close our card. Just gonna put a little bit more adhesive. There we go. So joyous, and then you have the word Noel, and then you open up Making Spirits Bright, where you could add a bunch of different wishes. On this one, for the inside, I did add more stamping. And then if ever you have missed out on my other videos, I also featured this card here. There's also this fun fold here that opens up in a couple of ways. has another easel card, which I have yet to showcase a video for you if you haven't seen it on my live. And that's it. So I hope you liked my projects today. Have a great day.